Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Vista AI. Vistasocial AI, or you can call it Vistasocial. Now this is Vistasocial. Vistasocial is an all-in-one social media management platform designed to help businesses and individuals streamline their social media efforts. So I'm giving you a quick overview. One of the key features is publishing and scheduling. You see, it allows users to plan and schedule content across multiple social media platforms from a single dashboard. It supports various platforms often and offers bulk scheduling and content queues. So the next is unified inbox. Consolidates messages, comments, and mentions from different social networks into one place for easier engagement and response management. Then when it comes to analytics and reporting, it provides insights into social media performance, allowing users to track key metrics, analyze audience behavior, and generate reports. And it has social listening that helps users monitor brand mentions, industry trends, and competitive activity across social media and the web. It also has a review management to enable tracking and responding to reviews from various platforms like Facebook, Google My Business, Yelp, and more. Then comes to AI assistant. It offers AI-powered tools for content creation, such as generating captions. And lastly, collaboration tools. It includes features for team collaboration, task assignment, and content approval workflows. You see, the pros are user-friendly interface and ease of use, comprehensive feature set for the price point, support for a wide range of social media platforms, a lot of them, even the blue sky one, and also effective tools for publishing, engagement, and reporting. It also has good customer support. Now, what the potential cons that have been mentioned by some users are occasional glitches or bugs, limited content curation options in some plans, and some users have noted limitations in report customization. When it comes to pricing, Vistasocial offers various pricing plans like the standard and the personal plan, professional plan, advanced, and enterprise. Those are the four major plans it has. So they vary in the number of profiles, users, and features. This one has 10, this one has 25 plus. So they vary in that aspect, and also the features included. They offer both monthly and yearly billing options. You can compare the features here. These are the prices and stuff. Additional costs may apply for features like advanced social listening or employee advocacy. Overall, Vistasocial appears to be a robust social media management tool, particularly well suited for small to medium-sized businesses and agencies. It offers a good balance of features and affordability. So you can try it for free here. So go to vistasocial.com.